In this short video, I'm going to show you how to locate the centre of mass or the centre of gravity of an irregular object. It's quite easy for regular objects because usually it's the geometrical centre. But if we have an irregular object, such as what I've got here is a piece of card, then what I've done, I've basically cut the piece of card into a nice irregular shape. Now, the key to this method is you need to hang your irregular object from one of the edges. Now I've just poked holes, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Now we're going to hang a second, this is called a plumb line. Now this will hang vertically downwards. Now, because the irregular object is now not rotating, the centre of mass of the irregular object should be somewhere along this line. Okay? Because if it was to the side, like this, then the centre of mass is here, then the weight is going to act from here, and that's going to create a moment which is going to make the thing rotate. However, if it's not rotating, the net moment on the card must be 0. So the centre of mass must be along that line. All we need to do now is, let's mark a position there. And what we get is a ruler, and we draw a line from there to there. As neatly as we can. Okay, you get the idea? Right, so the centre of mass is somewhere along that line. And we repeat from a different position. This time, we hang the plumb line again, and the plumb line always hangs vertically downwards. Now, the centre of mass is somewhere on that orange line. It is also somewhere on that line. So if the centre of mass is on both of those lines, it must be where the two lines meet. So let's try and draw that as accurately as possible. We can get rid of the plumb line. Then with our ruler, we can draw a nice, neat straight line there. So the centre of mass has got to be there. Now we can check that by again hanging the irregular object from a different position. Okay, again hanging the plumb line. Now that should, if we've done this accurately and carefully, the plumb line should be hanging and crossing straight through the centre of mass. So like all physics experiments, like all science experiments, the more care and attention you pay, the more accurate your results are. Okay? And then one last time, we can go from, don't think we've done this one, so there you have it. How to locate the centre of mass of an irregular object. Right, this is a method you need to know. You need to be able to describe this method accurately, because this always comes up on exams. Very, very often in GCSE physics exams you will see the question, describe a method used to locate the centre of mass of an irregular piece of card. And this is it.